Year 11 and 12 Chemistry ATAR textbook tier list. Starting off with Star. This book is pretty mid. You only ever need this book for experiments, which is not very common. The book itself, the quality of it is very poor. It always breaks after a few weeks, and there's a lot of questions in here that have wrong answers, so definitely C tier. Next, we got Pearson. It's a good textbook. However, I feel like it has a lot of detail, too much extra detail. But if you feel like you really need to know everything, it's a good pickup. Next, we got Creelman, but one of the new ones. For example, 2023, 24, 25. Creelman books are just a compilation of past WACE exams put together in a book. If you get a new Creelman book, it'll just be the WACE questions from previous years. So there's no real point. I feel like this is good for subjects where there's a lot of questions that are missing due to copyright issues, but for chemistry, that's not really the case. Most of them are on there, so just go on the SCASA website and download the papers to do. Next, we got the Chem Study Guide. This is a pretty decent book. It has concise notes, it has decent questions. I used it when I was in high school as well, so I do recommend it. Next, we got Creelman, but one of the old versions, 2016, 2017, 2018. I recommend these books because what they do is they get questions from the previous syllabus and they put it in that matches our current syllabus. So you get extra practice questions for you to do that otherwise that you would not have done before. These are quite rare. You can only get them on Gumtree or secondhand, something like that. Now, the good of textbooks for chem is Essential Chemistry by Luke Relly. This is the best chemistry textbook that you need. It has everything you need to know. The questions are decent. I used it throughout high school and I found it very, very useful. Next, we got Nelson. I don't have too much experience with Nelson. To my knowledge, it's also quite like Pearson. It's a good textbook, a lot of detail though. Finally, we've got past tests and exam papers right up here. This is the best resource to have for any ATAR subject. Doing past question and exam papers are the best way to improve your marks. None of these textbooks or any of these here will have questions like the ones you'll see in your tests and exams. The only way you can score well is by doing past test papers. These books here are good to learn the content. You have to practice your knowledge using past test and exam papers. There are plenty online. If your school doesn't give you, you can definitely find them. If you're going into year 11 and 12, I hope you found this helpful. Comment down below what subject you want to know next. Follow for more.